So today, guys, we're going to do a valtreyeks versus, we're going to do a valtreyeks showdown. It's going to be valtreyeks blue tornado. It's going to be a regular blue tornado when he goes like that. And crazy blue tornado when he just goes like that super fast that he falls in there. And the stable one, he goes like that. But he doesn't go into there. So we're about to get right into it, and the sparring partner will be Rockdivore because I did some warm-up battles before this video, and yeah. Rockdivore did the most bursts to valtreyeks, even though Kirby is stronger, he still did more. So I'm gonna tell you something. I have nobody recording this except for me. I'm just having to get up to the stadium. Let it. He destroyed him. I'm not even lying, not even exaggerating. Okay? Sorry if I didn't give you any more videos. I just wasn't really at home. I was just at school and stuff. But I didn't go to school today because I have on my pajamas. See? Because my stomach hurts very bad. But I'm pushing my limits and trying to go full. Which means I can do Beyblade videos. I just want subscribers. Oh yeah, speaking about subscribers, please subscribe. And now I have 4 subscribers. We hit it. 4 subscribers. We're almost at our goal. We're almost at 10 subscribers. And then after that, we're going to go from that to like 50. And then after that 50, trying to do 100. And then after that 100, 300. And then, 500. And then after that, 1,000. So thank you guys. You know what? I couldn't do any of this without you guys. So keep it up. Let it. Okay. It is a lot of work doing these videos. It's a lot of work, trust me. But yeah, I'm gonna redeem myself. Let it. And it seems valtreyeks won that. But none of these battles he got a blue tornado. I think he needs a stronger opponent. But I think we can do it without the opponent though. Okay, now let's try it without the opponent. Let it. Yeah. That was the stable one. Okay. So you see how when he gets launched into it, he does that and then recovers and then goes like that and stuff. So yeah, now we're about to do the regular one. That's the regular one. Now that's the regular one. Okay. So guys, you want to see the crazy one, which is, it's not it's good, but it's actually a little bit risky because since it's super powerful and stuff. Let me scoot this over just a little bit. So since it's super more powerful and stuff, it falls into the thingies, which means it's harder for it. That's why we try to take out the enemy before it falls in there. Because I know he's gonna, and that's just what's happened. It just happens. See, my launcher just gets messed up. Okay, let it. I'm about to see it. See, that's the crazy one. And you guys are probably like, what? How are you even doing this? Are you guys really one? Yes. All I do is just burst it. I put the performance tip on my right shoulder, the forge disc on my left shoulder, and I put its head on my head, and I meditate. And he learns the stable one. But yeah, I had to meditate again. I had to meditate today because it only bees like 3 days. It's only like 3 days. You can have it keep meditized. Or is that the word for it? Yeah, meditation. So yeah. So I had to meditate again today. Today. And I really hope you liked this video today. Please subscribe and like the button. And comment below, do you like this type of stuff? Like when I Beyblade and stuff. I'm probably going to try doing some Minecraft videos if you want me to do it. And yeah, so if you really like the video today, please subscribe and like. And if you like this stuff, you don't just have to watch me. You can watch Zanky. You can watch Blazone. It's a bunch of other people than me and way higher YouTubers. But I'm going to get higher than them one day. So please subscribe and like. And thank you. See you next time.